to the lovely people. Good morning to my 45 viewers. Right, we're up from 40 to 45. We got 60 viewers. Would you believe it? All 60 of those people have to reconsider the choices that they've made in their lives. Of all the other things that you could be doing, you're watching me. Quick order of business. First and foremost, ISUZU MUX. This is actually going to be a little bit of a shorter day. Right, the boys are going to be going out and doing some container unloading. 40-foot steel container, which is to say the least. It's a lot of shit. But at least they're not packaged with basically all that glue plastic on them these days. You know what I mean? So you can actually yank them out. Last time I did that, I reconsidered the entire business. I was like, that. I should close it down, bro. If this is an activity that's required, there are worse things, you know? There's a place called Stilettos. There are women out there doing wild things for money. Anyway, what do we got in the interim? Tell me, let's do this live. What do we got? We got what is it? What's happening? I'll talk to him right live. Let's do it. What has he got?
Smash repair guy.
He's a smash repair.
That was a bit aggressive.
You guys are gonna be learning. That we're gonna learn customer service skills today. All right, live calls, live sales calls.
Can you shut up and listen?
Yeah, too easy. I will. What's up?
It's a Hilux. It's got a Hammer bull bar on it, but he's asking me something.
Yeah, all right, all good.
Understand what he's asking.
That's it. All right, so
the Hilux we've done.
So you need my technical genius.
I need you to talk to him.
You need my technical genius. Is Chris speaking. How you doing, mate? I'm good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, not bad.
How can I help you? Right. On what vehicle? Yeah, is SR5? Is it Rogue? Is it what is it? Oh, the Rogue. Is it the blue one? Black one. Yeah, no, easy enough, boss. Yeah, how can I help you? What's going on? Okay, see if you can get a replacement. Boss, look, honestly, you have to send me a photo of the area that's damaged, all right? And then what I'll do is I'll get in touch with Hammer and I'll see what they actually recommend to replace. Yeah, absolutely. Just send it to Chris at OZ Canopies, OZCANOPIES, yep. CHRIS. Canopies, OZCANOPIES.com.au. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Done. Bye-bye. There you go, expert. That wasn't really a sale or anything like that. You guys couldn't look into the mind of an expert sale genius like myself. Just give me a second. I'm struggling to put the phone in my pocket. So the other side of it is like, old mate wants something in regards to something else. So in that case, what I would recommend is just kick the can down the road. Send the email. I'll get to it when I got time. All right? Only call me if you want to put money in my pocket immediately. Right? Otherwise, I don't want to hear you, lad. Right, warranty. What's that? Don't worry about that, bro. It's like the canopy's leaking, bro. Stop driving it in the rain then. I'm joking, by the way. Jesus, all right? We do really well with our warranty processes over here. If there are any dramas, which there are very few of, we will take care of you. Right, at Oz Canopies and 4x4, we pride ourselves in our after-sales service. When you call here, someone who knows what they're talking about picks up the phone. Right? And if you want to get something booked in immediately on the day when you call, we can do that. Now, at the moment, there is a bit of a lead time because there's a lot of people that want to get stuff fitted. And the reason why they want to get stuff fitted is because we're the best place to be. All right? Tow bars, canopies, rollers, ozcanopies.com.au. How many times do I have to say it? Now I'm getting mad. All right, this ISUZU MUX is getting a tow bar. Did we even say about this? Look at this tow bar. Look at the quality of this tow bar. You can just see visually the excellency in the construction, because those are the only types of the parts that we use, right? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This guy is a criminal. All right? That guy, something wrong about this guy. Clearly. He's going to make some noise. No, make some noise. Make some noise for the camera. On the beautiful quality of the tow bar. Look at this. That's called manufacturing. This is advanced manufacturing you don't see nowhere else. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it rolling. Right? Bat, you got a new haircut. Your haircut. Look at the haircut on this gentleman here. That's an incredible haircut. Look at the quality of the fades. Look at the quality of this fade. Mine's a little bit old. Come in here. Come in here. That's it. All right, you see that. You can judge the quality of a place by the quality of the fades of the gentleman who worked there. Right? That's why you can't trust Anthony Albanese. He doesn't have a fade, bro. What the hell? What type of a haircut is that? Anyway, back to business. GWM cannon, steel canopy. Another steel canopy. John, I think you and I are both tired of talking about these steel canopies, man. We just can't keep them on the shelf, brother. We can't keep them on the shelf. Why? Because it's the best price at the best quality, right? Anyone who knows, knows. Anyone who goes anywhere else, bro, look, my heart goes out to you, right? My heart goes out to you, but you don't really need a heart. You need my brain because you've made a silly decision by going someplace else. Now we've got lift up doors both sides. We've got the reinforcement in the inside, yada, yada, 300 kilograms loading capacity, 2590 fitted out the door. That's incredible. So these jobs are going to be finished up pretty soon, hopefully shortly. And then we'll do a little bit of a wrap up and then we'll continue on with the rest of our day. Peace. Start filming immediately, John. Always be doing that. There should be a camera on me at all times. There are how many gems? Sometimes, bro, in my sleep, I'm whispering the solutions to all the dramas of the world. I'm going to be solving the issues between Israel and Palestine, the issues between men and women, these questions people have pondered for centuries, generations. And in my sleep, around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. particularly, around 1:30, I got these visions that come to me, these solutions, right? But I'm sleeping, I can't write them down. You know what I mean? But I know it's happening. And you know what? The world is worse off for it. Truly is. I mean, truly. Right? But I mean, beyond that, aside of all of that, the steel canopy that we were talking about in the morning is now complete. Look at that, GWM cannon on there. What we got? Lift up doors. Let's have a look. We've got lift up doors. Right. All inside. Come on. Have a look here, John. Right, I know we're talking about it every time, but there are new people. There are new people who don't know. We have to repeat the message. You have to be like a preacher. You know what I mean? You have to say it every single time. You have to be like a preacher. You have to go. You have to repeat the message because you know what? People don't understand, right? People have been preaching the good word of the Lord for thousands of years, brother, and they're still out here sinning, right? And I'm out here talking about the benefits of the steel canopy, right? And about how well it's priced, the quality of it, and everything X, Y, Z. 300 kilograms loading capacity, you can get on there, all the additional business ventures that you can do. You know what type of businesses that you can run with this? Right? Anything. Mowing business, carpentry business, plumbing business, fake business, real business. That's it. The list just goes on, bruv. I can sit here all day and tell you all the businesses that you can run with the steel canopy. I'm talking about this is not a cost. This is an opportunity and investment that I'm trying to tell the lovely people out there, you know what I mean? But they're not listening. But the preacher, he comes there every Friday, depending on your denomination. If you're a Muslim, every Friday. If you're a Christian, every Sunday. If you're Jewish, I'm going to assume Saturday. They're coming out there and they're talking about it. They're giving the good word of the Lord, but you don't listen. Just like how you don't listen to him to save your soul, you don't listen to me to get a nice, lovely cover on the back of your ute. You know what I mean? And those two, really, they're at the same level if I do so myself. Steel canopy, rails, as standard. 3 side lift-up doors, brake light, that's a legal thing, but you got a brake light as well, right? I'm going to sell it as a feature. Even though it's a legal requirement, I'm going to sell it as a feature. It's got a brake light, all right? $2,000 supplied, 300 kilograms loading capacity. I said that 3 times now, but I just want to drive the point home. So this GWM cannon has been complete, and the customer should be on their way, and we'll have another very, very happy customer at Oz Canopies and 4x4, all right? And look at it. I want you come around, John. I want to show another thing. I want to show another thing that we do here that no one else does. Look at this. Look at all this water, right? Is it raining at the moment? No. I'm gonna have to answer my own question. All right. But we're the only people that will go out there, and once a canopy is fitted, we will water test it. We stand behind our. Most people, bro, they want to send it out there. It's a luck of the draw, right? You call them, you're like, bro, it's leaking water, and they tell you, oh, no, it's not 100% waterproof. They just want to send you down the road. They say, want you to send you down the road, right? Now, I'm not saying that any canopy, there's no canopy, lid, or whatever, any kind of cover that's going to be 100% waterproof, but I am going to work with you. Oz Canopies and 4x4 is going to work with you if you've got a drama, right? Not like these other places that don't want to hear a bar from you, right? You got a drama, the lock's not working. These things happen, bruv. In life, things go wrong, and they go wrong for no reason, right? With other issues in your life, your missus, your children, and all of that type of stuff, those things are very difficult. I know you don't got the solutions for that, but if you got a problem with your canopy, I can assure you, Chris at Oz Canopies and 4x4 has got a solution for you, bruv. You're going to come back, I'm going to book you in, we're going to get it all sorted, and you're going to leave as happy a camper as you are. And not only that, people always tell us that our after-sales service is the reason why when things go wrong, and how we take care of them when things go wrong is the reason why they trust us. I get that all the time. I got 100 emails like that this morning. Anyway, that's that. Hopefully there'll be a couple of clips there, John. I appreciate it. Final updates for the day. Chris back again. The delirium. I'm so delirious, I may as well have drunk delirium in the morning. I don't even know if delirium is a thing. It should be. It sounds hard. You know what? I got a new business idea. Don't steal it, cunts. I'm actually going to document it on the camera right now so that you guys can't steal it. You heard it here first. I'm going to start a nightclub and I'm going to call it Delirium. That's hectic, bro. Ivy, watch out. As soon as I'm done with these canopies and Towbars, I'm coming for the club game. We're not just here to take part, we're here to take over, lad. Double champion. I'm going to be the champion of canopies. Have a look at the canopy over there, John. Show the people. I'm going to be the champion of Towbars. Have a look over here. I'm going to be the champion of Towbars, and I'm going to be champion of the nightclub game. They're going to name me the first champion, brother. That's it. That's that. Anyway, let's come around. ISUZU MUX. Let's learn a little bit. BTA Towbar, Australian made in Melbourne, right? At an unbeatable price, lifetime warranty. What more do you want, right? Brand new ISUZU MUX. I believe this canopy, I think this one was fitted for like 900 or so bucks. 900 bucks, wiring, tow bar, everything, ready to fucking tow. 3.5 ton tow bar, Australian made. Chris, and then on top of that, you get to see my beautiful mug in the morning too when you bring off the ute. Look at that, that's lovely. In and of itself is worth $1,000. Nah, scratch that, $10,000. From now on, every signature from me is gonna cost $100, $150. You know what, let's start from 500. That might be a little bit high, we can always go lower on the price. You know what I mean? That's it, business tactics from Chris over here. Triple champ, Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 on this very cold, it's actually not too bad, to be honest. Morning, still the morning. Signing out for another vlog. 2 jobs in the morning, done before the afternoon. And that's that. Thank you very much.